Welcome to another episode. If you enjoy this type of content, then subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on any of our latest and greatest uploads. You've seen it all before. Promises to make money online for free, except that they're never actually free. There's always a catch somewhere, or an investment you need to make up front. Every day, more people want to know how they can make money online for free. They want to break out of their boring, exhausting, or otherwise unideal jobs and become their own boss from the comfort of their own homes. And they want to do it without spending the precious resources they have now. Today, we're going to show you how to do just that. We'll look at 10 of the best ways to make money online in 2023. No catch and no cash needed for you to get up and get running. Number 10, become a virtual assistant. If you have a knack for organizing and planning, becoming a virtual assistant is a great way to make extra cash online. A virtual assistant job involves doing various tasks like managing social media pages, replying to emails, and taking phone calls on behalf of a business. With the number of solopreneurs increasing, virtual assistants are seeing a sharp increase in demand for their services. You can get started by applying to jobs on Upwork, Indeed, or virtual assistant jobs. VAs make around $19.36 per hour on average. Number 9, do research online. Are you good at using Google to find specific information? If so, there are plenty of opportunities for you to make money online for free. Many companies in different industries hire web researchers to find the most relevant and dependable sources of info for them. Then they share that info with their clients to help them make informed business decisions. You can apply to work on their tasks. All you need is a computer and internet access. Number 8, transcribe audio and video files. Though artificial intelligence is emerging as a tool to help with speech-to-text transcription, it's far from perfect. Therefore, many companies rely on transcriptionists to turn audio from videos and speech files into accurate text. You can lock in a part-time role with a company like Rev, or work freelance with multiple firms on specific projects. Most companies let you choose which assignments you work on and set your own schedule. The best part is you don't need to invest anything up front. Simply use the speakers that come built into your computer to transcribe. Number 7, set up a Patreon. Patreon is a membership platform that helps artists and creators get paid. Through this platform, fans can subscribe to projects by paying a subscription. If you regularly create videos, podcasts, or music, and you have a following, you can join Patreon to let your most passionate fans support your work via a monthly membership. Number 6, review websites and apps. Another way to make money online for free is to review websites for cash. Some companies offer people payments and free products to leave testimonials on their sites. Other businesses pay people to examine the quality and performance of their website. When reviewing websites, you'll usually examine the site's functionality and how fast it loads. The amount you earn will be dependent on the marketplace you work with and the testing methods that you use. In most instances, you'll learn more if you're willing to do one-on-one testing sessions with clients over video conferencing. Number 5, join an affiliate program. Do you think you have the marketing chops to promote things effectively? Join an affiliate program and earn commission by promoting products, services, or brands on different platforms. Once you're accepted, you'll receive an affiliate link to share with others. Number 4, launch a YouTube channel. Ever thought of becoming a YouTuber? Well, nowadays you can film unboxing videos, product tutorials, and funny skits with nothing but your smartphone. It doesn't cost anything to set up your YouTube channel. By signing into YouTube using your Google account, you can create a new channel with your name or a custom name. As a YouTube channel owner, you'll have several opportunities to make money. Once you've reached 1,000 subscribers, you can start earning by running ads on your channel. You can also partner with brands on sponsored content, sell merchandise, or become an affiliate to monetize your YouTube channel. Number 3, participate in focus groups. Do you enjoy sharing your insight and opinions with people? Take part in paid market research studies and make $50 per hour or even more. Focus groups are normally used to determine people's attitudes towards specific products, branding, or ideas. Participants may also be asked about their opinions on competing products or businesses. Number 2, become an online travel agent. Do you know where to find the best flight deals and vacation packages? Consider working from home as a virtual travel agent. Travel agents get paid to help people plan vacations and personal travels. As the logistics, like connecting flights, accommodations, sightseeing tours, etc., can be overwhelming, many individuals rely on travel agents to make their trips easier. Number 1, sell photos online. If you regularly take photos or have lots of images on your hard drive, you can sell them to stock agencies to earn some money. You will receive a commission every time someone downloads one of your photographs, either a fixed amount or a percentage, as determined by the stock image site. Best websites to sell your photos online are Burst, Shutterstock, Alamine, iStock. And with that, we've reached the end of this video, all about how to make money online for free. If you enjoyed it and you found it interesting, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content just like this. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.